So, you're thinking about moving to Foley, Alabama. Well, in today's Touring Tuesday, we're taking a look at a house for sale not far from town. Actually, it's in walking distance of the park that I'm in here at the corner of Highway 59 and 98. Foley is known as the gateway to the beaches. It's the last city that you will travel through on Highway 59 before you reach Gulf Shores. Foley, along with Fairhope and Daphne, is considered our micro metro area, and it has been ranked 6th in the nation for growth. Foley has seen a lot of growth over the last 10 years. We've actually added a theme park. We have Tanger Outlet here. There are so many restaurants that we can't begin to name them. So I would like to share some scenes from around town with you before we go over to the house. And behind me you can see the beautiful fountain. And then over here on the other side of the park, we have the train museum. Now let's take a look at some other things around town. And I'll see you at the house. If this is your first time to our channel and you would like to know everything there is to know about living in coastal Alabama, be sure to subscribe and tap that bell so you'll be notified each time we release a new video. My name is Rita Sessions, along with my partner Kayla Robinson. We're realtors with Exit Navigator Realty, making your coastal living dreams a reality. So if you're moving in 1 month or 1 year, reach out to us. Our contact information is in the description box below. We would be happy to help you make a smooth move to coastal Alabama. So we're here on Pine Street in Foley, just 2 blocks off of Highway 59, actually within walking distance of the town park, the Magnolia Hotel, and the Main Street 98 running through town. And you're not far from the hospital here either. Now as we come in, the first thing that draws your attention is the wood inlaid ceiling. It's beautiful. And look at all of the open windows. Bright, sunny. I mean, if you like sitting and feeling like you're outside but you're inside, this living room definitely will work for you. And just picture a cool fall day, snuggled up with a warm cup of coffee and a fire in that fireplace. And we love the real brick, large fireplace. This home does have a little loft above the fireplace. You can use it for a kid's play area, an office, or just a quiet place. Or you could go up and do yoga in the morning. It does have a coat closet in the front foyer, and we had a lady here earlier that said it's hard to find those these days. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split bedroom plan. You've got the laundry room on the side with a primary bedroom. And I love these little built-ins that he did for the baskets. Even if you don't need that many baskets for laundry, they would be great to store things in. You have a door that goes out to the backyard. And I like the extra hanging rack. So if you've got those fine garments that you want to let air dry for a little while, or just while you're folding laundry and you want to hang them up before taking them into the room. And this is the primary bedroom. It has a linen closet and 2 closets. You have one here in the bedroom, and this room has a lot of windows as well. And then you've got a walk-in closet here in the bathroom area with built-in shelving. You have double vanity, and this home does have some upgrades that was done in the last 5 years. You've got the tub shower combo, window in the bathroom, which is traditional of an older home. You don't get that in the newer homes a lot of times. There is no carpet in this home. All of the home either has vinyl flooring or tile floors. The kitchen has a lot of cabinet space, double sinks. There is a little pantry area. The island has this room for 2 chairs, as you can see. You've got a little cubby back here behind the island that would be great for a little hutch, for a little coffee bar, or to display some nice china. Your dining room area with French doors that lead out to a back patio into the backyard. And we'll walk you around the backyard here in a few minutes. There is a spiral staircase that takes you up. You've got 2 bedrooms and a full bath on this side of the house. It is single vanity in here, built-in cabinet. And both the bathrooms have the 1-piece tub enclosure. And I love the glass knobs. I actually have these glass knobs in my bathroom too. Now the 2 bedrooms on this side have double closets in them, and this owner has done some built-in shelves. If you didn't want shelves on one side, if you needed more additional hanging space, it would be easily to convert it back to hanging space. Now this bedroom has a 3rd closet. You could use it for storage or for extra linens. This home has been freshly painted with a nice neutral color. Thinking about selling your home, changing the paint colors out to a neutral color does make it more appeasing to buyers. Now let's go take a walk around the backyard. I hope you enjoyed our video today. We actually did a video a couple months ago on the town of Foley. We'll be sure to tag that one at the end of this one. So if you want to know more about living in coastal Alabama, be sure to subscribe and tap that bell so you'll get notification when we release our videos. Kayla and I are real estate experts in Baldwin County and would be happy to assist you in finding your perfect home, investment property, or even help you sell your home. So contact us today and let's make your coastal living dreams a reality.